Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use AutoCAD 3D Solid Union command. Basically, Solid Union command type of and more than individual component to make the only single component selection. This is called Solid Union. It means many different component, many different member to make the one union, to make the one body. This is called solid union. So basically today I will show you how to work in solid union command. So it's very easy like that. 2D drafting I have discussed about how to join two lines. So two lines joined between J inter, so this is called joint between two line. So same thing I will go to joint in more than individual member to joint in create the one member, one individual body. So let's start. First of all I will go to create the rectangle here. When I start from 3D here, basically we can do the 3D view. So first of all select this rectangle here. I will go to make the one simple rectangle. This is a rectangle right now. Then I will go to press pull, and otherwise you don't need to this. So other thing I have go to make here, but I want get so easily I can do the extrude here. Then again I will show you rectangle right now. When I get click the rectangle and I also make second thing, and again I want get another rectangle. So this one is click here and joint right now. So when I go to continue here use for press pull command. When I get select this one, when I go to here the particular distance right now, then again I will enter this press pull command and show you another thing is mirror right now. When I show you some distance here, okay, then again I want get create this another rectangle. So if I start from, I will get the line command. I will go to use from this one. Again show you here. Again show you smooth command. When I show you the here smooth command, and also this is the extruded command. I will show you the extruded command. Okay, so when I go to use for visual style, when I enter the visual style here, when I get the remove this line, basically not the required actually. So I will select this one and go to remove. When I will use from visual style, so when enter the visual style and apply this one, So now I will go to select this individual component. They are, everybody has selected different selection here. This one also select individual, and this one select individual, and also select this one is individual. It means you can do whatever in your work. Every work has individual selection. So when again I will create the rectangle right now, this point I have made the simple rectangle is this one, and if I reduce, when I make the simple small rectangle here, so this one I will go to again press pull command. I will show you press pull command in particular here. Okay, so it is make the different individual component. When again I will make the rectangle here, so start from this one. Again I will show you okay, again I will show you rectangle here. This one I will go to create the rectangle, then after go to again press pull command and show you some particular distance. Back. I will go to press pull command in upward distance. So like look at this, it is very easy to convert from here this command. Now I am going to selection, this individual selection, this one is also individual selection. Same thing is every component has going to be individual selection, but I want one selection, so we will apply the solid union. When I want everybody has selection is only single, so we will apply the union, solid union. So first of all, when I go to click the whole diagram, that means all member has been selected. When has been select all member, then after go to use solid union. Now I have go to use solid union, then whole body has selected the only one diagram is selected all body. Look like when I select this component, so every body has been selected from solid union. So solid union, that means you have whole body is selected to one time. This is called solid union. So it is very easy from solid union, and I want get the solid union is subtract. I mean the solid union has completed, then after I want get the exit in solid union, so we will select this here, and now subtract, that means individual component, again go to breakdown. When now the select this individual also, so this one is create the solid union, and this one is create the individual component. So it is very easy to work from AutoCAD solid union. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe our channel.